Soy John Iberg, aka Winnie Twyberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels, Retired World Bike Tour. And this is Coronado Bay Bridge. Port of San Diego. I was going to continue on south on 5, so I crossed them, but this is a lot closer. There's no toll, so I said, heck, I'll jump on it if I can. I'm going to get off this pretty quickly because I'm going to camp at the Mike Badley campsite on the Strand. I hope, unless it's closed. I don't know. I will see. It's very convenient to do this. A little bit of San Diego out there. Over to Coronado Island. It's not really an island. It is an isthmus. And I thought I saw a sign that said no toll free. Doesn't look like. Well, I don't know. I cannot tell. Gosh, dang it. Okay.